go from two hands on the wheel with your eyes closed. You can do it blindfolded if you like blindfolds. When I dock on a single engine like this, I always keep my right hand on the throttle, my left hand on the wheel, because I'm always going to be using them, either bumping them in and out of gear. But if for some reason you take your hand off and start to steer with your right hand, you want to be able to find that throttle quickly while also looking at the dock. So you want to start that instinct when you start boating, okay? You'll get the feel for it. So for me, one thing you can practice, you can go from two hands on the wheel with your eyes closed. You can do it blindfolded if you like blindfolds. And then you could go straight from the wheel to the throttle without looking, okay? So this is how we realize where that throttle is going to be in relation to the wheel, so we're not going around in a panic trying to find it and accidentally hit the gear like that, which happens a lot more often than you expect. And that is how you drive up onto a dock and you see those videos, those crazy videos, because people aren't paying attention and it's not instinct yet for them.